Hey guys, Kyle Jarrett here with RapidAir products. Today we're going to install a air regulator. This is the 1/2 inch NPT. They make a 3/8, a 1/2 inch, a 3/4, and a 1 inch. This is for 150 CFM. Again, with the other sizes, you've got 100 CFM up to 350 CFM. So my gauge here decided to start leaking. So the bottom one here just had we wasn't sealing anymore. So we're going to get this swapped out. I'm going to show you how easy that is, but really excited to put their product on here. So let's get started. Talk about how the way this is packaged. Got it packaged here. Got a nice protection on this, so you're not going to mess up the drain or any of the way it's connected here. You need to take it off, maintenance, clean it out. Certainly super easy. Just take that off. Got the embedded gauge here. Can't go wrong with that. It even sends you a bracket for your wall. And what's really cool about this is you can mount it either way. So if you're going in this way, you've got that option, or if you need to spin it, you can certainly mount it in that way. This one adjusts from your max pressure that you want in for this is 175, but anywhere from you can adjust it from 0 to 150. So if you're doing a lot of painting with your air hose or your air paint guns, you're going to definitely need something like this for your system. All right, so let's get started. So your default air comes in from the left, exits the right. It's going to go into my system. So your inlet here is marked on the gauge on the regulator. Out is here. Assuming yours is different, if you say your air runs in this way, you're going to need to reverse this gauge with this plastic piece. Super easy. A couple Phillips screws, swap them out. There is a rubber O-ring in there that you're going to need to swap out as well. So anyways, got that set up now. Obviously my bracket needs spun around, so little threaded here. You're just going to take you some channel locks, loosen that up. Boom. Spin this around. Lift that up, spin it around, set it back down, locked into place. Walk around on you. There's that. Get snug. We're ready. So I'm going to get this off of here, and we're going to put these in the holes and go from there. All right, first things first, I'm going to break it loose from here, just so I don't have a lot of stress on the piping here. Get this away from all that. Break that fitting loose from there. That's when you know you got a good seal. All right, I'm going to break this loose. Get over here where I can work with it a little bit better. Alright, so what's cool about this is you are going to, the way I had mine set up, I did have to get a different fitting. They sell these, they're super easy, makes your life easier. So went from this up to the bigger one, and then on this side I had a reducer on that, reducer, so I was able to eliminate that. That's going to thread right into that. Less fittings means less leaks. So rewrap this here. so we got the regulator on, getting ready to put pressure to the system. One important thing is you never want to pressurize the system without this bottom bowl on there. So make sure that's on there. If you do get to go to clean it, say you want to clean this, they do recommend cleaning the bowl once a year. Make sure you depressurize the system, let all of the air out. You're just going to pull this little black lever down here, it'll rotate it to you, or the other direction, pull down the whole time, that comes right off. This unscrews, again, clean that once a year. Here's your water relief, that's got to be pointing down, of course, at all times. Let me show you. That works, that goes right back on there. Got the bowl back on, so make sure your water relief is pointing down at all times. If you want to release the water, it doesn't unscrew. You just pull this blue thing down. I don't know if you can see that or not. Just pull that down. It's spring loaded. That's going to let your water out that's accumulated in your system. So we're going to get ready to put some pressure to the system here. All right, so we've got pressure to the system. This is our water drain here. Should we need to drain the water? Again, you're going to depressurize it for that. Pull that up. This is going to adjust your pressure. Clockwise, counterclockwise. Clockwise is going to adjust your pressure up. You see that gauge moving there. All right, so we've got the regulator installed, and we've got pressure to the system. Do you hear all those air leaks? No, you don't, because they make a great product, and as long as you seal it right the first time, you're not going to have any issues. RapidAir products, check them out.